Good morning. It is 6:30 in the morning, and today we're going to tackle installing the seats and the shifter where we want it. Now, this isn't a lot of fun in these, so we're going to get metal dust pretty much everywhere, grinding a lot, cutting a lot, welding a lot, but we will get it done. Another thing we'll try to do if, we get these seats done in time is we'll try to start doing some of the electronics and some of the pneumatic plumbing for like wastegate control and maybe the electrical panel, and maybe start running wires around and looming them. Kind of don't want to do that because I'd rather have everything in the car and then do the wiring. I know that sounds a little crazy, but you don't know if something's an obstacle if it's not there, if that makes sense. So we'll see, but I'm looking right at this little compressor I got. It's just been staring at me, and like the ADHD in me is like, open me. Look at all my parts. What do I look like? What do I have inside my box? So probably get into that today as well. Maybe mount it and start plumbing it and run the wiring and stuff. I'll see you guys when the sun starts coming up. Yeah, I see that mosquito. Huh. Nice. Look at that. Alright, so this bracketry picks up off the original seating bolts, so you can unbolt it, rebolt it. That one's absolutely solid welded in, and now this one will be too. Let me show you why. Number one, we can't get it over far enough because the roll bar's here. And number two is, look at the height. Now that ain't gonna work. Too far forward, he could slide it back, but alright, we've been thinking. Lop everything off, maintain these, and start fresh. Too high. Moved it back further, didn't work. We're just gonna have to basically almost start over. Alright. I'm not even gonna say something easy, but it should be something easy. Got this little compressor. Little baby tag. Alright. Some line, some hardware, nice long fuse and some crimp fittings, some adapters, a relay, and pressure sensor. Yeah. Alright, and we have some wind for today. So, mounted the compressor. It's only got 2 mounting points that are really close, so it's going to wobble no matter what, but it's on rubber grommets. Mounted the, well, that's the tank. The compressor is mounted here. Just picked up off these stock bolts, looped around right into the tank. Got a little 90 1/4" eighth or 1/4" NPT. It might be eighth. Yeah, it's 1/8 inch NPT. Sorry, to 1/4" nylon hose into our air pressure regulator / air water separator. They work on gravity, the way it captures water. So I might have to actually bend that tab down as much as possible, depending on how bad it gets, and then 90'd up and just throw it up there for now. But it's one more win. Alright, you guys are gonna have to forgive me because I didn't have the camera on during this battle. But that's in there. I'm not going anywhere. Switch panel mocked up, not really fastened down or anything. Just kind of chilling. Yep, harnesses. Welded the tabs on. You guys already saw the compressor setup. Coming along. This chassis guys are gonna have to give me all the suspension stuff, so I'm gonna run out of things to do. I think I'm gonna make aluminum cup holders there for the center console, so I can put some Busch Light or, Mountain Dew, whatever fancies. But managed to get it lower than the top, cleared the corner so I can get that roll bar. It's gonna come across the top halo and then the front bars, so that's really good news. This can still adjust forward, can't adjust backwards, but that's fine. I like where it's at, and yeah, she's coming along.